Hyundai is doing some awesome work in the field of sporty sedans at the moment, helping to keep the dwindling yet desirable segment alive and kicking. This is the all-new 8th generation Sonata. In Australia, only the N Line version is being offered, while some overseas markets are presented with a variety of trim levels. We ain't complaining though, it certainly looks the part, with its N Line aero kit, incorporating a blacked out front grille and intakes, gloss black side skirts and side mirrors, and a neatly finished off rear end including an integrated spoiler. There's also a fashionable full-width taillight, and we love the tiny fins across the spoiler. The new Sonata is based on the wider group's latest N3 platform, which is also used to underpin the current Santa Fe and the recently updated Kia Sorento. Unlike those, the N Line is front-wheel drive. Unique 19-inch alloy wheels are wrapped in 245 by 40 Continental Premium Contact 6 tyres. Although they are impressively wide for this class, some more serious rubber could help to get the power down. In saying that, this is lots of fun to drive as is. Inside, designers have applied a club sport theme, with suede trimmings for the dedicated sports seats, and hints of red stitching for that racy feel. It is a very smart and suave cabin overall, with the company's latest widescreen on the dash and a fully digital instrument cluster for the driver. Passenger space is more than adequate. Aside from having to bend down quite low to get in, there is heaps of headroom and legroom in the front and back. Climate vents and a USB charging port in the back provide optimum convenience. It's an ideal family car, put it that way. Likewise, boot space measures up well, even against the popular mid-size SUVs that are out at the moment. Obviously, being a sedan, you don't get wagon-like practicality like you do in an SUV. In terms of power, the bonnet conceals Hyundai's new 2.5-litre turbo. This is the first application of this engine for a Hyundai brand product in Australia. And what can we say? It is a superb unit, providing more than enough power and torque for this platform. A bit more noise from the exhaust would be nice, but even so, with this you can fly under the radar. This is what it goes like.